the ultimate hair care guide to achieving beautiful and healthy hair. This video is a collaboration with June and Rose. Hello beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel where I share useful tips to help you look and feel your best. Today, I have a very exciting and informative video for you, the ultimate hair care guide. Whether you have long locks, short hair, curly waves or straight strands, I've got tips and tricks for everyone. So grab a seat, relax, and let's dive into the world of healthy and beautiful hair. Section 1. Know your hair type. Before we jump into the hair care guide, it's crucial to understand your hair type. There are 4 different classes of hair. These are: Type 1. Straight hair. Straight hair has a smooth, sleek texture without visible curls or waves. It tends to be shiny and is prone to oiliness, as the natural oils can easily travel downwards. Type 2. Wavy hair. Wavy hair falls between straight and curly. It forms an S shape and has a noticeable wave pattern. It often has a combination of straight strands and gentle curves. Type 3. Curly hair. Curly hair has well-defined curls that form spirals. It tends to be more voluminous and prone to frizz. Moisture is crucial for maintaining health and definition of curly hair. Type 4. Coily hair. Coily hair has tight, small curls or a zigzag pattern. Coily hair is more prone to shrinkage, making the actual length of hair appear much shorter than it actually is. Section 2. The basics of hair washing. When considering how often to wash your hair, you shouldn't stick to a routine recommended by someone else. Instead, try to find what's best for you and consider these factors. Scalp condition. Pay attention to your scalp. If it tends to be oily, you may need to wash more frequently. If it's dry, less. Lifestyle. Consider your lifestyle and activities. Those who engage in regular exercise may need to wash more often, while those who lead a less active lifestyle might be able to wash less frequently. Hair products. The products you use can also impact how often you need to wash your hair. Some stylist products may build up over time, requiring more frequent cleansing. Section 3. Hair treatments. Now, let's talk about giving your hair some extra love with hair treatments. We'll explore DIY masks, hot oil treatments, and how to pamper your hair so it shines and glows in an extremely healthy manner. Let's start by identifying the purpose of hair treatments. Hair treatments help to tackle a range of hair concerns such as breakage or frizz. Types of hair treatments. Protein treatments. These help to strengthen the hair and repair damage. Moisturizing treatments help to infuse the hair with moisture and combat dryness. Lastly, oiling treatments with natural oils help to nourish and condition the hair. Section 4. Lastly, let's talk about some hair care mistakes to avoid in order to keep your hair glowy and healthy. If you have type 1 or 2 hair, brushing your hair when wet should be avoided as your hair is at its weakest when wet. If you have type 3 or 4 hair, brushing your hair when dry could ruin your natural hair pattern. Washing your hair too frequently could strip it of its natural oils, leading to dryness and potential damage. Excessive use of heat styling tools, such as flat iron and curling irons, without protection can lead to heat damage, dryness, and breakage. Hairstyles that assert too much tension on the hair, such as tight ponytails, braids, or buns, can lead to breakage and balding. There you have it, the ultimate hair care guide. I hope these tips and tricks help you achieve the hair of your dreams. Feel free to share your hair tips in the comments. Until next time, stay beautiful.